Gotta do what I gotta do. Hurricane ain't gonna stop shit but the sun. No cap. Right, this 1 hour gap is the overall target. First, I'll need a retracement to this gap. Yeah, I'm getting in the longs right now. The worst part about trading is having to wait 24 hours in between trading. Right now, pre-hurricane. Look at this, guys. Fuck Milton though. Milton can go kick rocks. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back, family, to another video. And we're back today, and I'm gonna try to make some money. I didn't take no trades yesterday. The market conditions were total fucking hot dog water. Hot dog water. So I didn't take nothing. I missed like 3 of the entries. You know what? It is what it is, neither here nor there. We're on to a new day. But I just thought I'd let you guys know. But today's operation, get ready to get hit by a hurricane. Everybody asking, Andre, you're leaving? I'm not leaving, bro. I'm staying right here. I'm staying in the penthouse. This hurricane ain't gonna do nothing to me. I'm gonna sleep there peacefully while everybody evacuates. Now, if you got a house and shit, maybe. If you're by water, maybe. But I'm 20-something floors in the sky. I don't gotta deal with it. Worst comes to worst, I'm gonna have to lose all my windows. That's the worst thing that's gonna happen to me. But guess what? I just go in my closet and I'm gonna just get on my computer, edit my video, post my vlog. Gotta do what I gotta do. Hurricane ain't gonna stop shit but the sun. No cap. But nonetheless, I got about, hopefully only a 10-minute drive to get back to the crib, and then we're gonna get active on VIP. We're gonna see if we can make some money, give value to the team, and we're just gonna have a great, productive day. Even though there's no sun, the sun ain't gonna stop shit. I mean, the clouds ain't gonna stop shit. You get the idea. Sorry, girls, you gotta stay over there for now. I gotta work. It's time to go to work now. Take the shoes off. No shoes in here, bro. Got my laptop and everything connected already. So now I just set this all up, join the call, and enjoy the shitty view. No cap. If this all will connect, get the microphone on. All right, I'm gonna set it all up. All right, here we go. We about to get active and everything. If the bottom mic wanna connect, not the bottom mic, the bottom monitor. Oh, I think it is on. It's because I got the glasses on. Ah, that makes sense. I was like, bro, I can't see shit. It was because they were polarized. You know what? I'm a dickhead. But yeah, nonetheless, we about to get on straight into this call and everything. Gotta go get my headset, matter of fact. One of the essentials. I need that. And now we join the call. And we get straight to it. Let's see what's crack-a-lacking. But I'm just trying to see if we can get a retracement on both NAS and US30 right now. I'm bullish on them both, but I want to see it retrace. Like, especially with NAS. NAS, I could target this gap. Right, this 1 hour gap is the overall target. That previous high would be like, yeah, it's a big target, but I'm not expecting that much right now. First, I'll need a retracement to this gap. Vice versa for 30 come to this gap. I'm gonna give it a second. I like the area here though. This is the area I was watching. Where are you at, 30? It's like I like it, but I also want to give it a second before this shit I know how this should be. Trust it. I'll trust the longs. 50 points, I'm only risking $100, man. I ain't gonna try to overcome. Oh, or maybe I should give it a fucking second. God damn, man. What is this? Bro, this shit is like COD timing. That shit's ridiculous. Yeah, I'm getting in the longs right now. Officially in the longs after price almost, cooked me a few times, but won't know till we try it. Just don't risk a whole house. I'm gonna give you some time. But damn, bro. Damn, man. What is this? Discouraging. I ain't in no trades, but Keno's about to get long. So let's see if he can get his trade to hit. I'm a spectator right now. Yeah, it's a little bit below the area that I had bought from originally. That price wanted to, I see the longs. I want to see this shit run this high. That's what I want to see. All right, and we're done. This shit's whack, man. You know the SpongeBob episode when it was, he was chopping shit up doing karate? That's what this shit reminded me of. Cause bro, what is this? I should have traded something else. But no, I traded US30. NAS push, ES push, and you know what 30 did? 30 did this. Shit shicey, man. I was trying to win a trade for the hurricane, but Guess not. Yeah, well, time to get the rest of the day started. The worst part about losing trades, the worst part about having losing streaks, the worst part about, in my opinion, trading is having to wait 24 hours in between trading sessions. I don't trade London. I don't trade any session besides New York. Just gotta wait. It's just unfortunate, man. Shit is very unfortunate. I'm trying to make some money, man. Trying to make some money, man. I got bills to pay, man. But the main thing you guys always got to understand is don't force shit. No matter how much money you need, no matter what you need to do as an entrepreneur, as a trader, don't force shit. Follow the plan, follow the setups, and do what you're supposed to. May not feel good all the time. You may not be the best, like, in the mood, in terms of mood all the time, but guess what? That shit don't matter, man. That shit don't matter. You just got to do what you're supposed to, no matter what. So yeah, I gotta get the rest of my day started. I'm about to take a shower, walk these dogs, and then I gotta head to the gym. Got some one-on-ones later on too, so let's get the rest of this started. All right, right now we walking the dogs out here getting our daily stroll. This is a ghost town. All the places are closed. What are you doing over there? You ain't about to pee or poop in the middle of this, dog. Come on. It's not what we do. You gotta pee or poop on the side or on the grass. That's dog etiquette. But yeah, look at that, all barricaded off. Everyone leaving for the hurricane. Fortunately, I got a high ride, so I'm not dealing with none of this. I got food, I'm chilling. And I'm gonna live stream the fucking hurricane. Not really, but it's just a joke. Joke with VIP. Beanie SVJ. That's tough. You can hear it over there. Oh my God, I need one of those. It's $1 million car right there. Let's see if this gym is open. We about to find out. It looks open to me. Oh, yes it is. We are golden. Time to get to work. Crazy how the camera died in the gym, and this was like the first time I had the certain angle to where I actually will be able to record, even with people being in the gym. I will be able to record where, this is kind of bright. Let me go over here. But essentially I'll be able to record without them being in front of the camera and they wouldn't be in the way. And then my camera died literally as I was recording. And usually when the camera dies like that, I don't get the footage. So that's unfortunate. Even more unfortunate that I still don't have a bed frame. But, you know, Hurricane, we're not going to order it. We're not going to try to get it yet. It just doesn't make sense right now. Milton is on the way. Fuck Milton though. Milton can go kick rocks. But right now, since the camera was dead and I was getting the batteries charged, I came over to my computer. Came over to here and I was just getting some clips and everything for Instagram. Just, you know, doing the back end work. My content creation is like my 9 to 5. Trading is like where I go to put my money. Trading is my money multiplier. I get my money from everywhere else, put it into trading accounts to then flip the money to make more money. Then I use that money to pay bills, vice versa. It's a big old fucking loop, but it all comes back to trading and it all comes back to me as a content creator, me as an entrepreneur, me as a person. But yeah, that's that. I got a couple one-on-ones I got to do soon. So I have a booked schedule right now. Like I got one-on-one galore all the way until October, until Friday. I'm booked up right now. So yeah, make sure you go check them. Go click them links, man. If you want to schedule a one-on-one and learn how you can do exactly what I do, go click that link. It's free. But yeah, for the most part, I'm not doing nothing crazy right now. I'm just waiting for my girlfriend to get done work so I can get food and shit because I'm hungry as fuck. But I'm not about to get food without her because she's going to get done probably within like an hour or two. So yeah, I'm going to just continue doing this, get the content created. I got to get a couple more reels and everything made. I was going to record for the content of cash program, but I did yesterday. So today I'm just going to go and read on the balcony. I haven't read the book in a while. So yeah, taking it slow right now. Just this is what it is. Every day is not going to be glamorous. It's just about doing the things that are going to improve you mentally, physically, spiritually every single day and financially. Me making this content is helping me financially. Me making this content is helping me essentially get the thoughts out of my mind to you guys to be able to portray a message that's going to help you guys, to show you guys the reality of being an entrepreneur, to show you guys that there's nothing crazy to it. There's not many people that will vlog their entire day, everything they're doing. Not everything, but for the most part, everything that I'm doing to have the life that I have. Not many people do that, and I'm showing you guys the real. That is not all what you think. I'm not working out 20 hours a day. I went to the gym for an hour, and now I'm back here. It's only 120 still. I already traded with VIP, live traded, went to the gym, got, I think, seven. Let me get my phone. Let me check exactly how many I did. But I got a whole bunch of clips created, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them already scheduled for the day. So I already have all the content when it comes to my Instagram scheduled for the day, and it's only 120. Work smart. I'm telling you guys, we want to work to be able to get our time back. Even though I hate having free time and I hate the feeling of doing nothing, we want to work as much as possible to make sure that everything we're doing gives us as much time as possible so that we have the option to either use it or we have the option to enjoy it. But we have the option where other people, where they have the job, they don't even have the option. They have to go to work. They have to make money. We want the option. We want the freedom. I was just talking for no reason. The microphone wasn't even on. But nonetheless, I was saying I'm about to do my tizzle, you know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm just about to go get my girlfriend because she's about to be done from work. So I'm about to go out here. It doesn't look like the hurricane has started or anything yet. I think we still got some time until the hurricane really starts, until it really gets here, until we actually see some of the effects everybody is supposedly talking about is going to be the worst hurricane Tampa's seen in 100 years. But we shall see. From what I can see, it looks like a lot of people are still here. So I'm not really that worried about it. And nonetheless, even if it does get horribly bad, that's why I'm in the high rise. I don't gotta leave if I don't need to. Fortunately enough, I'm in the position where I can make money trading. I can make money online. I can make money being me. So I don't need to go out there and work a 9 to 5. So I don't gotta necessarily worry about going to make money. None of that stuff. I can do everything I need to from here. So this is a blessing nonetheless. But I just want to make sure you guys know, be careful what you consume in terms of content, because a lot of the people around me, they're telling me I should be scared, they're telling me I should be worried, but the reason they say that is because they're paying attention to everything that they're being told. They're being told that this is going to be horrible, they're being told this is going to be scary, they're being told that I should leave, they're being told all these things, but at the end of the day, the news, a lot of the time, is not meant to actually give you positive stuff. The news is meant to create fear. Fear is going to create you to do what? Go buy stuff, buy the products and stuff from all these stores sold out, buying gas. Essentially, the hurricane made people spend a whole lot of money and leave. So it's one of those things where I'm not leaving, especially because I don't have to. But like I said, for everybody that does have houses and stuff near the water, be safe. And if you really need to leave, leave. But me personally, I don't need to leave, so I'm not leaving. So I'm not going to let the fear make me think that my building's about to get knocked over. Because if this building gets knocked over, I'm pretty sure we got bigger problems than flooding. But hey, maybe that's just how I think. Maybe that's how I think. I'm a stubborn person, but hey, I don't know. That's just how I am. But nonetheless, without all the yapping, I'm about to get this rolled up, and then we go ahead to get my girlfriend so she can get on home from her job. All right, right now I'm waiting for someone to join the one-on-one call. They just scheduled the one-on-one call for 3 o'clock as I was about to go get my girlfriend. So I sent them the link a little bit early in hopes that they join up so I can actually have the one-on-one call before. But that's why you gotta, do things in advance. Don't do something last minute like that. But nonetheless, even though it may not be the best timing to have the call, I'm still gonna have the call nonetheless, because guess what? They want to get the free value, so I'm gonna give it to them, and I'm gonna let them know exactly what they need to do to get to the next level, any questions they have about anything. And like I keep on telling you guys, this could be you, so just go schedule that link. I'm here to help. So hopefully they join up. If they join up, I might have a clip or two, but I'm not trying to record, talk, and drive, so probably not. Maybe I'll get some on the glasses. So got one of the one-on-ones done. It was actually his birthday, so shout out to him. Shout out, bro. Happy birthday to you if you're watching the vlog. And I'm waiting for the next person to join the next one-on-one. We're just gonna keep being busy, keep giving value until the storm come. Yeah, we're just gonna keep doing what we do. Oh, I hit the wrong person. I'm about tired of my camera turning off every time I'm trying to record a one-on-one. But I just got done 2 of them. On to the last one of the day. Give some value to the team. This is what we do it for, man. And then we just simply watching the hurricane in the background. You see this? We just getting ready for it. I got a front row view. Front row, all the way around. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that beautiful? But yeah, like I said, we're about to get this last one-on-one call done. And then yeah, not sure what's next for my objectives. But nonetheless, I gotta edit some of this vlog too, so. Yeah. And team, oh my God. Right now, pre-hurricane. Look at this, guys. This is the pre-hurricane as of right now. Calm before the storm, but I just wanted to end this video off to show you guys that no days off, even when a hurricane's coming, even when my camera lens is fogging up, the job don't stop. I may have not been able to post this video last night, but I told you guys if you stay tuned on YouTube that I was going to be posted in the morning. Just another day, man. There's another video coming out tonight, so double upload on a hurricane. It's going to be a great day, man. It's going to be a great day. I'm going to just enjoy it. Highways, ain't nobody there. Everyone's evacuated, but guess what? We got front row seats. I ain't leaving. Just like Wolf of Wall Street, I ain't leaving. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. There's another video tonight. If you want to learn how to trade the trading concepts and systems, you got the concepts and everything inside the free course. If you want to join VIP so you can live trade with us in about an hour or so, an hour from now, we're going to be live trading live from the I don't want to say hurricane. The hurricane, I don't think really has hit us yet, but the rain and everything is definitely overclouding us right now. So join VIP to be active with that call. Join VIP to get access to the 40 hours of content when it comes to learning money mindset trading. Free trading course for the concepts and everything completely free. Also, you can schedule the one-on-one. So if you want to join the one-on-ones where you can ask me questions about anything, let me know. And if you don't want to join VIP or join the content creation course after, that's fine. You're just going to get the free value and free game nonetheless. So I'm about to get to editing this video, get this first uploaded the day out so that we can move on to the next. And let's just have a busy, productive day.